Logotype Typography in Adobe Illustrator. Logotype typography is a design approach that combines text and visual elements to create a unique, memorable brand identity. My name is Humaira Laique. Here I am using this steezy word for typography. Create an outline in Word and ungroup it. Font name is source code variable. Start. By carefully selecting and modifying typefaces, designers can convey a brand's personality, values, and message in a visually compelling way.
Wow!
Applying a water-flowing effect to logotype typography adds a dynamic and fluid visual appeal, mimicking the natural movement of water. This technique involves using pen tool, water texture, and smooth tool to create a sense of motion and depth. The result is a captivating and unique logotype that stands out and evokes a sense of fluidity and elegance. Once our logotype typography design is complete, we'll take it to Photoshop to explore various mockup options. This includes t-shirt mockups, 3D mockups, and a range of other creative presentations. By utilizing these different mockups, we'll be able to showcase the design in diverse and engaging contexts. I look forward to your feedback and thoughts on my work, as I aim to deliver a visually stunning and versatile logotype that truly stands out.